Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while, but I'm back and I'm better. And I wanted to address some preconceived notions about my nails. Nail polish is chipping away, and I'm gonna be up close and personal today, showing you two different red bags. Just want to kind of, show you my opinion or tell you my opinion on it, and you guys can drop your comments as usual, show the love and let me know what you think. So first order of business, the first bag that I want to talk about is a Gucci bag, and it does not have a box. I actually ordered this bag from Farfetch, and it just came from I guess their third-party seller. It's all authenticated, it's authentic, and there was no box, but this is the Gucci Matelasse or Matelasse, not sure how you say it, mini bag. So this is, the premium leather. It has this chain design, and it also has the leather strap. And in the back, it has the double G embedded in the material. Really love this bag. I really love the side. I really love the size. It's more so a crossbody bag than a shoulder bag, because you can tell that the strap is super long. I mean, you can wear it down your side if you'd like to, but I wouldn't, honestly. It has the, double G, the most modern design that they have. Just zip open the bag real quick, show you the inside. Yeah, it came with all its authentication papers and things like that, like all the, I don't even know what these are called, honestly, but it had all of these to, make sure it's real, because your girl don't wear no fake stuff. What's going on today? I don't wear any fake stuff. But inside is a very soft material. Not sure what it is, but it's reminiscent of like a suede, and there's one pocket on the inside. I think this is the perfect size to fit. You can fit an iPhone in here, I think any size. And when I bought this bag, I wasn't too sure, or I didn't realize that there were two different sizes. So this one is the mini bag, and apparently they have the same exact style with another bag, but it's called the small bag, and it's probably a couple of inches wider, I guess. And it's about a $300 difference. So this was $1,100, and the small one is $1,390. So if you want to cough up the, $300 or $290 extra, then go ahead. But this size is ultimately like the perfect size for everyday use, or whatever the case is. And I think red is a great pop of color, especially me. I like to wear a lot of neutral nude tones. I like to wear blacks. I do wear whites occasionally, even with this top, this would even pair well. So the next order of business is this. Can you see it? Balenciaga bag. I don't know if this usually comes in a box, because this is actually my first, I'm trying to think. I think this is my first Balenciaga item ever. And also same thing, got it from Farfetch, has its, little pieces of authentication cardboard stuff in there to verify, that it's all real. And this was a second red bag, but this one is more so of a scarlet color, I feel like. And then you can see the material kind of, it's like a harder leather. I'm not even sure if this is real leather at all, so I don't want to, tell you guys some fake information. But this also has a strap. You can also tuck the strap in if you like, and then just hold it by the two handles. The only thing I wish was that the straps were removable, so they're not, right? It's sewn in to the sides of the bag, which is kind of annoying because this bag is already pretty small. So having having to tuck away the straps takes up a lot of space inside the bag. I can't really fit much in here, so I feel like this bag is more for show as opposed to actually putting stuff in there. My wallet is pretty big, and wallet can't fit in there, so you can only put a credit card holder or something like that in there, your ID, couple credit cards, lip gloss, some cash, because I know some people still carry cash, but especially when you have your handles in there, it's not really ideal. But this bag, I actually like it to wear with like sneakers. I wear this more dressed down. And look, it's basically the size of my hand. It's not big whatsoever. It's a phone bag. So yeah, you could just put your phone in there. But my phone is usually always in my hand. So I don't necessarily put my phone in my bag, but you can. It's called a phone bag, but you know. So all in all, putting these two bags side by side, you can see there's a little tiny like tint difference. Like this one, like I said, is more scarlety, like it's more red orange, and then this one is more, I guess, of a red. But because of the chain design and because of the gold accents on it, I would more so wear this like on a night out to wear it to be more formal or more fancy. And then this one's more casual to wear with like sneakers or wear on a chill day, going out with your girlfriends, running errands even. So one, I guess, little piece of information about this bag actually runs $950, but I caught it for a steal. I got it for $570 because it was on sale. So I was like, you know what? I don't know if it's gonna be on sale for this price again. So might as well. That's like what? Like basically $400 off. Like basically like a 50% off deal. Basically. So, you know, I had to have it, just, you know, got it. And then I had some sneakers already in mind. I was like, okay, I could pair it with this and that and whatever the case is. So I'm super excited for, or I'm super happy with both of the purchases. Just wish this bag was a little bigger because I can't really put much in there. I'm not gonna lie. It's cute, but it's not very practical. But yeah, so just wanted to do a quick little video on both my red bags. I love red, I love the accents. I love like what it adds to outfits that might be seemingly boring. If you guys had any reservations about buying any certain bag, if you want to see more talks about bags, shoes, sneakers, whatever the case is, let me know. Happy to record a video for you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more. If you don't care about this content, just let me know and your girl's gonna switch it up again. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for supporting. All right, bye.